Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Friends, in this tutorial, I will show how can we lock or set passwords in our internet browser. I use Google Chrome, so let's learn how can I set up this. At first, type lockpw in your browser search box. Now, as per your browser, add lockpw extension in your internet browser. Click Add to Chrome. Now, click Add extension. The extension is added. Now, click on Next. Now, enter your password, which you want to set. Repeat the password below. Enter password hints as your choice. After, click on Save. Password protection is turned on. Now, close your internet browser and check. You can see, when I click on Google Chrome, then a dialog box is shown for the required password. For login, we need type our browser password, which we set earlier. After login, if you want to remove this extension, then remove it in normal ways. Just select Other, type No, and submit. Remember, your browser security is most important. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.